In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on this Volkswagen Tiguan. These are going to be located on the top of the engine. Let's get into it. Pull the engine cover off, just grab underneath, just lift up, pull that out of the way. We'll disconnect the connectors for the coils. I'm just going to use a straight blade screwdriver. Just push on the tab, slide this back. Do the same for all of them. Just makes it easier to disconnect all of them. All right, so those are all disconnected. Pop those off out of the way. Now you can grab the coil and just pull it up, twist it back and forth. That pulls up. Now we're just going to use some compressed air and just clean out the bore of where the spark plug is, the spark plug tube. Now at the base of the coil, we're just going to take a little silicone or dielectric grease, just lubricate the end. This is mostly so it doesn't stick in the future. Get that lined up. Slide that in place and push it all the way down. And you're going to do the same with the other ones. Now take the connectors, make sure they're all lined up, and then we'll lock those down. There we go. I'm going to take the cover, line this up, push it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.